Good evening once again if you just joined us.
Calm down.
Welcome to the Upnlive show. We do this every Tuesday right here on TGM Radio. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Dragon Star, Fire Q, Look One Rasta, and Breads.
You don't know
back in the building. Welcome back again. What going on for the week? Let's recap.
Be things over the weekend. Be a niceness.
Eh? So like
Be a
your
niceness.
weekend nice.
Bingo man, I ask man.
Eh?
You don't mind the arts, it's not really great, but you know.
Breads.
I'll be a part of them on the weekend, so you must know, but.
Yeah, I know.
So.
I saw you go sometime in life. You see, as a gunman, sometime I go see you go shoot fish.
What?
As a gunman. Sometime I go see you go shoot fish.
I think the conversation gone left.
Yeah, alone.
I know every time I get through. That's how you go.
Yeah, alone on the boat.
My weekend is relax. At the first weekend for all long, I say, I stay at home Thursday. No, lie. Thursday night, maybe at Tipsy Thursday. Big up Sassy. Not for big
Yeah,
up.
all that good, cause me see for the live that going good still.
Yeah, it's, you know, me just, as me said to myself today, I give Sassy a proper commendation for our consistency over the years. Even though sometimes Tipsy stop, but you always...
when it keep it going.
When it keep it going, and it's the only midweek event that managed to stay so long. Remember, Tipsy are going a long time now, no?
A good couple years now, what,
Couple
4 or 5 years?
About 5 years running.
And a whole heap of party start up
And
drop. Even though it stopped some of the time, but because of
Reasons,
behind free account. So big up Sassy Pana one day. So because the show good turnout. You know, obviously the venue was a big concern, but it worked. Shano, good performance. But I must say, with Shano still, Shano, I mean, someone, no, because I might big you up this a second, and I might drop over so next second again.
Yeah.
Shano performance, you know what? You see, the problem I have with Shano have too much songs that connect with the streets. And it's like, I don't know, it's like me I get too much of the connection, like the what you call it now?
Rick,
the conscious vibe.
Talk it straight.
No, I try to be as clear as possible.
Talk it straight.
Me never get no up a girl song, the girl segment. If you get what I say, me get a whole heap of conscious vibe. What me like, you know, I'm my thing that already. But me not get no whole heap of girl, the girl song, the girl side, the girl section. I the performance. That part there, I own the part, but different from that. Cause I'm listening to my song, the partner draw song, and him drop that, place flatten, go on with. All I song them connect.
Probably, him probably read the crowd say that the energy the same about that.
Yeah, but me understand still because the crowd that was there. But the only reason why I said that it was because Ching Power was there, and then also she caused a whole heap of
Yeah, what I
attraction.
go now? More fight the selector them.
Selected them.
Yeah, more and the sound engineer them and more.
Why?
You know, the first 2.5 hours in at the party. Remember Chinpo I come to see right through. Me have one little combo money in my pocket. See?
You're too far from the stage.
Well, no man, I not talk about that.
Yeah.
Remember to blood clot, me think of where bad man show where them stop keep, me think of Sting. Here badness. Me say, the man them go around the girl segment right through. And in the last half, I think a gangster kid and face come and say, nah man, but your party get out of control. It's a show where you book a dancehall queen on it.
Yeah.
And the whole of the first half of the and birds, what me say, girl pick the nothing there.
Mm-hmm.
Enough up in that
Come
place.
up on the stage, there are 10 different female dancers.
And the man them a pay blood clot bad man song. Me I say, but good God man.
I think that was the problem.
Like, you see a night there, if you come there and you look a wine from a girl,
No, I got him.
you now get the opportunity there because you want to know.
Sad.
No girl now go wine because everybody busy a bus blank.
Listen, sat there.
Some of them show them. Sometimes they bend some of the bad man song them. When you have some show, bend some of the bad man song them, play some woman song because the show will tailor for Shano and Chin Power.
Yeah.
So when you go around the little segment there and if gangs are them and when gangs are them start play the girl song them, seeing?
Yeah.
By little bit after that show time. So me never feel like say me get me little money worth. Cause me don't want to see a bag of thing in it, you know. Some girl a dance and daggering and dating.
Brother,
How we ask man?
as I talk about that, sat them there on party and we did it and now wait and one girl for dance. And the girl them start dancing, put your foot on them and them know say did it. I wait for the right song. I know a gunmanship play. Party done for me.
Skeng
So you
party.
never get no wine?
People
the
Rasta
person,
here.
the person,
Okay.
right.
I don't.
The
You never get no one.
No, the person
Blue
bill
shoes
up.
them a rub off on the white shirt.
No, a black punch no one.
No,
No
rubbings.
clout, you know, dog. After I go like and say you pull again a tipsy, you know. Remember from what they
I
say
didn't
polo.
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 First it was combo boss. Now it's
Buckler,
polo
hold on,
boss.
man.
I call him a polo.
Them buy no man, they don't keep the palm shirt and reel up, you know. Me say,
Yeah.
ready for the party.
Why is he on your shirt though?
But me say,
Rasta, you just join us.
I pay a badness in
I
the party.
know.
Dragon, let's ask
Yeah.
Rasta.
Go on.
All the party go to you.
No, we're not talking about
Yeah.
the party. Forget the party.
Yeah.
Can we?
important.
No, I'm not even gonna get in that conversation.
No,
I'm really sorry.
He must say, look,
I
man.
know. My ears side a fake one.
Let me flip my color.
My ears side a fake
You
The
one.
logo be.
Show the sleeve,
Yeah.
show the sleeve,
Yeah,
show the
the ears side
sleeve.
fake
Show
one.
the sleeve, show the sleeve, show the sleeve.
Number
Look at
3.
Number 3.
Number 3.
I treat this ya.
Man,
Uno,
just said.
dos.
The way that tree
Tres,
is still.
cuatro.
Yo, me say I'll leave them drop off of that tree. No way I do. Pull off it theirs.
Anyway, Rasta, how was your weekend?
My weekend was good, you know. Started it off early with Tipsy. I was kind of disappointed in some aspects of it. The entrance part, me never really too like it. The security was nice.
No,
No, they pattern. It did pattern. In terms of what I expected to see more of Chin Power, for me, yeah, you know, me have to learn how to dance for 2022, so you know, like a tutorial.
You want
know?
some more?
But he wants some more, yeah.
Me have a next little pint of a pint.
We can finish
No,
my
make
statement.
finish
Rasta.
Right. The DJs on, there was a gentleman that was playing. I don't know his name. I'm never really too impressed with how long him did warm up the party for.
And that's not his fault.
It's not his fault, yes.
Yeah.
But there were aspects that he could have moved on from
Yeah.
and not held the party within that aspect of things for so long. But in totality or
Yeah.
overall, me did catch a vibe 1 and 2 time, you know.
Well-
It shout out to Lady Sassy and the team.
Well, this week, them have Lali there, so
And you see that next
I got
week
tip
too,
in it.
when me no like that something here.
you
What?
can see that.
I never bounty killer book for tipsy what there. So the whole heap of man them are walking with the bomb buckler artists. We no need to done that something there.
It's called
We not-
entourage. It's
Listen me
entourage,
man,
dog.
hold on. The whole heap, no,
And everybody
man
was leading
is
towards
mad them.
where he was standing. It
Share
was
no
too much.
walking about 30 man strong
You sure?
in the party.
You sure him know them?
He
Bad
knows
man,
well. He
me
knew
don't know about
most
one
of
night
them.
time me just stand up over to one corner with them forward. Me have to kind of lift up from my spot because by the time I look,
Never
remember
enough
how me did there, you
space.
know, me have, you know, leg room and, you know, like when you fly first class in a plane, you can stretch out. Till one night time to bomb buckle out. We have a little table over there. We have sponge past my table. I'm drink past my we have sponge. Till me look, the man them full of the people them table too. Them start shoot the table. Me I like, but
Yeah.
good God, it no look good.
And I
Too
think
much man come in with an artist. Only if you cut out that fucker, the man.
hold on, and on top of that, the more people realize that, oh, this is where he's standing, let's go towards that direction. There was absolutely no space.
Me say, yo,
And I think
You
that's
think
the
if
reason
them
why
back up
you
a man
never
that want
forward
That's
to where we were as well.
Me try forward over there.
Mr.
It
Briggs,
was,
I
it,
couldn't
it was
reach.
I know one
impossible.
corner, I me say them, yo,
It
that
was
think of
impossible.
Don't worry,
bomb.
don't worry. This
Listen, yo.
Thursday, me and Faded one bag of woman, so you don't for even it out.
Yeah, so this Thursday, Lali.
Lali will be there in Tipsy Thursday. Just look out for the details, guys.
Me no like that
Hopefully,
something.
the location is nice. I like the location.
Yeah.
It's spacey.
Yeah.
The toilets weren't too bad. You know, if you go to the toilets early, ladies, this is a strategy. You go to the toilets from early, you don't drink nothing for the rest of the night. So you're all right. You understand? Yeah. So I like the location. Tipsy, as I say, Tipsy family, big up yourself, and yeah, I look forward to Thursday
Yeah,
because
but-
you know, mega learn, yeah, mega learn. how to sing.
Where's I going on the street? I could talk about the street because there's a whole heap of little thing we are going on the streets where we need to address scene.
What's
So
happening?
recently we see a little thing with Shensia do a song name with
Dollies,
the Rebel and TC, you know.
pretty.
Yeah.
And pretty, you know, them come out and say, Dolly them. Pity we need to read between the line. Because nowadays when you listen to music, you know, you can't just listen to music and nod your head and say, yeah man, this song so nice and everything. You have to read the subliminal. And like, me feel like it I give DJ and, you know, people in music really have a lot of work to do because the first time hearing that song, I didn't realize that song was taking a pop at Spice.
So it is yeah. So it is being stated.
Yeah.
Yeah, then
The word is allegedly.
No. It's not alleged anymore. Like me know subliminal and then Spice to back Fear song, taking back a pop at Shensi and the thing.
What's,
Then,
what's it, what kind of
then,
what's the word? What's the name of the song again?
Dolly
No,
something
man.
like that.
It's fine. Go ahead.
Or battery Dolly, something like so, some kind of Dolly
But you the
fuckery.
joke though.
Yeah.
Recently TG, yeah.
I was just
Fire
gonna speak
shot,
about that.
and I say people are
Buy
buying
views.
views.
But we already know that
No,
because
but for him to say it where my fought from, to say that
Yeah.
means that who was saying it before, I have a more strong ground of saying, well, we're telling you from long time.
oh boy, you know from when me know say view I buy. It's from my first tickle,
Lockdown.
from my second half of lockdown.
Yes.
From you have one popular
Yeah.
selector. You know? Him live did that still. I did number
It was
live.
nice.
You know?
Take a sip.
It was a number live to blood clot, and when me check it, and everybody start look over there. You know, you see, the CM3 smarty them.
Well,
a comment
numbers
over.
don't lie, but comment tell the truth.
I lie them. I tell you the number no
The
lie.
same spot they get some beating for too as well, because them style me, so me a style him.
Hold on,
How?
no. Rick. Hold on.
I'm interested to hear that.
Yeah,
I'm
one
sorry.
year because we tell the truth, you know.
Yes, I mean I style the DJ. Say,
How were you styling?
because
What's
me
the
a-
basis
me a-
of that?
Me I said things without fabrication.
You're
That
saying things
fabrication.
without basis?
Yeah, fabricating
What-
lies.
No, but that's exactly what I'm saying, because I said, remember we did it, a review of it, the same thing as well. And I say one time I watch Beanie Man, and I watch
And
Bounty
Bounty
Killer,
Killer Clash, yeah.
and TJ them,
Mm-hmm.
they're on live. Me not see them a number there, and those people are very household
They
names.
established, they
Established
verified.
And I'm not seeing those numbers. So how you as a small person, average person, Joe, put out so much number? I'm like, kudos to you, but you just don't look right.
Not even mix up.
And it's like it wasn't like a acceptable number, like say I want 500, I want 600, or
It's in the
700.
thousands.
7K.
It was
Hold up.
exactly. So that
It's-
was
it's-
it.
Wait a
Let's not-
minute.
It's more
let's
than
not-
much followers.
let's
have.
not-
Something
let's-
ain't right.
Let's not go off too far of it,
Yeah,
because
of-
it will get drawn into it and you realize how we are going. But Dragon,
Continue
finish your-
point.
your
All right, so basically, when you know that something is not right, you see, in terms of Instagram Live and YouTube, you see, when you start going into the comment section
Mm-hmm.
and you start realizing a lot of these people are from like India and you know South Asia. Members of people build company and have a whole host of building. What them call it? Like
Algorithms.
no, it's not algorithm. People do it, but them set up like a company. You know, like
shell
all right.
companies.
Basically, you know, like people do it for election, for create propaganda for
Basically,
election
might make
and
a
things
lot,
like
a
that.
lot of different accounts.
So they can make a lot of fake account. The account start up recently, they don't have basis, they don't have nothing, but they just log in at things because people buy views and buy number. So them just log in at a one computer log in all 20 times because they have 20 different
server.
user on the same computer. If you have 100 computer, they don't much of that. And then you can buy numbers because YouTube, a long time you know say you can buy views.
Mm-hmm.
Long time you can buy views on YouTube because you know what? People are doing it. People create a whole heap of YouTube page and when them do, them press pan different video and make it play and then your views, your numbers go up. And here what now? You see, in terms of buying views, in terms of like the big established artists, it don't make no sense because here what now? You are selling a fake narrative to the wider public. Because you see what we realize now, people are validating artists by the numbers what them do. And we realize that that's a fuckery because here now you see the biggest scandal of the early part of the lockdown, it was Coffee song, Toast. Remember that song? When that song come out, it was heavily promoted, right? And
Yeah.
people there say, are the biggest song that come out of Jamaica for a long time, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I was say, some nice and it's to play some nice place, but that song don't have the longevity and pulling power like Charlie Black's Party Animal. And at that point, that song was leading in views, right?
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then it start trickle down. You start see the years that come off Party Animal, Chuckle Back Party. I remember Charlie Black.
balance out. Yes,
Charlie Black sell gold, and that song never sell gold. So
Yeah.
certain little thing when you look on it, you say, yo, buying views and when you buy money people.
But it did help them.
What? Coffee?
Yeah.
Where's Coffee now, Rick?
No.
They
I
are Blue
mean, where's
Mountain.
Coffee now?
Me-
She's
hold
not
on, no.
high. She's
Coffee
not,
they are
no,
Blue
no,
Mountain.
You
Yeah.
ask the question.
May I ask a
answer it.
question? Me not done, but may I ask it. If the Grammy that Coffee win, now one can look on it and know say if that was a well-deserved Grammy. Cause remember, if you have a Grammy album, you're supposed to have at least 2 or 3 decent songs we're gonna go through the years for the Grammy. See? Remember, say Chronix did put out the Chromology that never win a Grammy.
Mm-hmm.
See? And you see, then they give to Bob Marley boy for Stony Hill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I say when you have certain backing and certain record
Certain
label,
name.
you have a manipulation in the
But
market.
it is
so,
joke though.
yeah.
Earlier with that talk, I'm going to say to you, say, having a loud song
Eh.
and you have a fan base on the ground,
Yeah.
It's different. Because the numbers that them I use, they say, a man sang hot. So when them travel, the numbers on the ground not prove the song online. And you're like, oh, the promoter mess up. No, we didn't. Because him try, but he realize that you not have enough groundwork yet. And when you have some other artists, with not nothing for your ear, but when them go tour, them things shut. You say, oh, because they had stability and them numbers align with them fan base.
And you know who proved that? The youth found out there, Diane. Because Diane, his numbers are not the greatest numbers.
But on the ground,
you see there's groundwork there. And I guarantee if he fall back at England the next 6 months,
with 2 more songs,
he will sell out a show. No, because he came here and he did a good job.
Funny enough, I've never been at one of the shows because I did something else. But the meet and greet, I see the local numbers are forward.
Yeah.
And the ratio was good. But it's like, when we see online there, we're not going to say like, oh my gosh, O3, but the people turning for him was good as a good start.
It's a very good start. And his performance.
And every show him go up on, him do a show the Friday was okay. Him do a show the Saturday was very good. And that's in South London twice. So that for sure you say, people still want to see you.
Yeah.
Exactly.
All right, let me just dissect that point real quick. Do you think the people that come out for Diani, was it Diani fans or is the promotion for the show was just good?
It didn't have any fans.
Let me ask you,
Well,
is a good promotion of the show?
No. The people that promote the show, it was, all right, start with Gal, it was a Gal Farm, right?
Yeah, Gal Farm.
Gal Farm, the name Gal Farm, Gal Song, so it go together. But most of the people found out, other than style of them and bugs them people, additional to that, because the bigger venue they used was for him. And when him do any other show afterwards, like S Lounge, them just like start doing promotion properly. Because them do very great stuff. Because them have the Joshy show and 450 in March, So them build them own self as a brand now as well. But that's a more Diana bring out the people for them, which is good. So now people know them as a reputable company who do shows instead of party. Them do show. Because the next one them doing is the Joshy one. Said,
Yeah.
So now with that said, Diana bring that out.
Yeah, but Diana only had one song basically.
No. He have two songs with them know, but other song when on stage, it perform. But my choice is the promotion based on this didn't really do as much as normally, but meaning the artist helped more with him when known as with the promotion. Cause S-Lon just start to like other than them club them outsource and them did good.
Let's not get lost from the point. The point what I want to ask you guys. Is it the promotion or is it Diani pull it?
Both.
The crowd?
Both.
Do you think so?
Is the promotion good, the artist do job easier?
What you think, Rick? Is the promotion or the artist? It can't be both. It must be one or the other.
No, it doesn't be both.
Well, may I give more to the I would a 50-50.
Yeah, both. You know what I'm saying?
Because Diana sang did act.
You know what I said as well?
Leader act.
Yeah.
The South London one proved me right. I said there was one on Friday.
Yeah.
In Tooting, on a Saturday in Lewisham. It's not far apart. People decided to say, no, we are stay up on the side and go that one here. Then Lewisham side say, we are stay up on the side and go that one here.
And because of his performance,
yes.
if he never did a perform good,
there you go.
They wouldn't bother.
People see, and I say, no, I'm not going to Lewisham.
But that's execution. I'm talking about pulling power.
Yeah, that's it. No, the promotion is...
Hold on. In my views, I think it's just a promotion for this party because remember, before Diana come to England, we have a few other artists we are more reputable in the streets and commercially and in people's mind. It's more also named than Diani. And they could not pull those kind of crowd because I think firstly, when you come here for bad promotion, let's go from late last year when you have the invasion, the Tentic, the intense them. Then earlier on this year you have the Javelin and them come here. And the pulling all right. The pulling power was not the same, and I think it's all done on promotion. So if you don't promote good and you don't have a fan base, promote it because you have to just be honest and be fair and be real. When you come on to a pulling power, you cannot compare Javi with Diani. It's just two different lane and two different crowd.
No, but Javelin should have been better.
It should have been better. But that's why I'm saying. It shows the promotion have a lot to do with that part of it.
That's why I said 50-50. Exactly. So if the promotion lack over for the Javelin show, that's Javelin side that do then. So if the promotion do for them side, as we say, it's 50-50 and
But in the other part, I don't think him have nothing to do with it because I don't see him have that pulling power. I think he's just in execution
Alright,
and perform.
the ladies them, no.
I'm first
The first show
Yeah.
like that, the ladies them,
Yeah.
me tell it as a promoter, yeah?
Yeah.
You see the ladies them,
Yeah.
you're selling that to them, yeah? And the song where I'm singing, where she named and him other song lead and whatever, yeah? So while it a build up, and there was New Year's Eve and everything fall into place, that means even worse because there's bay dance at night there.
Yeah.
So them was competing anyway with reputable dance like deal and no deal and whatever, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically when it go on and then perform and them do him for the one, the girl them say, hold on,
Ima-
at this no miss? Me nah miss nothing for
Nah
my...
mix.
So now, theme off now, transire from that card. In a January now, it's just straightly, it's an event. It's not no Pacific night.
Yeah.
So when we got a country now after that, the crowd go mad, 'cause this is country anyway. But them gravity and the girl them did it and him so girl land now, we miss it now. What they land on? So what them do, there's one in, I say, in Croydon side, so
Yeah.
our side, and in Lewisham. So you know what? We stay there, so, and everybody from the side there, so. Eslon, about 78 girls work for them, so them promote it as well, innit? So
Alright.
it just work.
All right. Let me do a quick comparison, right? I know 420 gonna be in the UK soon, right? 450. Sorry.
450.
Jesus Christ. You see? All right. 450
Man take off 30.
gonna be in the UK soon, right?
Him and Josh.
If you think 450 was on that show instead of Tiani, would you think it would be the same turnout? Because
it
basically,
No.
Because-
Why-
Nothing.
why is that?
Because of the type of music. You see, if you realize with stage show,
but 450 biggest song is down there on the lane.
all right, let me explain something.
Yeah.
Give me a chance there. Because if you understand with UK shows
Yeah.
and stage show in a whole, most of the shows that go on live, people like for what buy ticket is mostly woman. Man, me guarantee say when alright, let me ask you, when last you buy a ticket for go watch a stage show?
When the
Any
last
stage
stage show, I go buy me ticket. Me stop beg people. You
No,
know.
like that. Not like that.
All right.
Which
Yeah.
stage show was the last stage show? I go. I think Ice.
All right,
So-
exactly. You have to literally think about where you go.
No. Because I'm not. I don't go to a lot of stage shows.
All right,
No,
all
the
right,
point
let
is
me
trying to
prove
say-
my point.
yeah.
Is
Yeah.
most of the shows that is women tend to pay for them ticket way in advance or buy ticket more than men.
True.
So when you have an artist will cater to the
Woman them.
it's obviously gonna draw more crowd than you bring in. Right now, if you bring Bounty Killer forward to England and you bring Dexter Daps, we can't use Bounty.
No, they
Bounty
did, yeah.
Bounty not coming a long time. If you bring which crime Cabra, if you bring Mad Cabra come to England right now, and you bring Dexter Daps pull
You
a bigger
can't.
crowd.
When you compare Mad
Cabral
Cabra,
be a sound man for freedom.
That's a bad comparison.
No, he's trying to prove a
what I'm
point.
trying to prove a point. They say is the more
Like, all right,
The
if you're gonna
male
compare Dexter, better you comparing with like a Popcorn or somebody.
No, you can't.
All right, say all right.
Popcorn,
no.
I'm also name.
Say all right. For instance, Skillibeng. If right now you have Dexter Daps and Skillibeng,
Dexter will pull the bigger crowd.
no, hold on. That's why you're probably wrong.
No, Dexter will pull the
Rick,
bigger crowd.
that's why you're probably
No,
wrong.
because it's
Yeah,
Skillibeng
yeah,
about
why-
10
yeah,
remix
yeah,
Crocodile
why-
Teeth.
yeah,
Be
why-
different artists.
Yeah, why I'm gonna say you're wrong?
Yeah.
Because you see Dexter Daps, remember, Dexter Daps done him wrong in dancehall, but Skillibeng is more current in the younger generation mind. And Skillibeng have
With
more...
him
no.
all sang them.
No.
Not anyone them.
Skillibeng have more influential in the
Not
younger
more than
parts.
Dexter Daps on a stage show. None of them boy can go on
No,
Dexter Daps on a
at
stage
the
show.
moment, because Skillibeng sang them
Not,
is...
No, you
5
can't, you
years
can't,
ago,
you can't.
5 years after, then Killer
Alright,
Brown,
alright.
Dexter Box have a niche for himself. Where you don't understand
Alright.
with stage show,
Alright, listen.
people like a performance.
Listen, yeah.
Skillibeng cannot stand up on the stage and
I
get
tell him
things done.
earlier after
Yeah.
you say, yeah. It's not just about the song where you sing.
Exactly.
It's another factor with Skillibeng.
Yeah.
Because I'm do so much remix with different genres of artists, yeah. See, UK youths them and female, everybody, them ready to Crocodile Teeth. So because of that song alone, we remix so much time, them it won't get a bigger crowd. They will get roughly the same. But then they come back to now how you gonna promote it, as you say.
As a promoter, Brett, I think you should think smarter because, listen, Skillibeng don't travel a lot. Skillibeng don't do a lot of shows, so hear what now?
Because of COVID.
Hold on.
Can no
No,
one book him? No, not COVID,
It's
no
not. It's
book
not.
him.
No one book him. It's supply and demand. You see, anytime Skillibeng decide to come to the UK, because remember, you know,
Bro.
we have.
Hold
Bro.
on, hold on,
I'm
hold on,
not
hold on,
saying-
hold on.
I'm not
Wait, let him finish his
You
point.
have a lot of artists who come to the UK with 1 and 2 songs,
Yeah.
and the rest of the time them sing Bob Marley and some other songs.
Covers. Yeah.
Remember, Skillibeng have a wide catalog. You see, when you go dance or party, you see the impact
That he
of
has
Skillibeng
on-
song when he drop in a party. evening song them, Guns, and Skilly Bang have a host of hits, Brick Palm, Brick come right up. And remember, him have a host of hits
I'm
song,
not alright.
big song.
Put
So
it this
when
way.
Skilly Bang come,
Put it.
How was
I
it?
him skin, but
See,
Brez,
even
come on
though-
that
Birds,
conversation.
be quiet, please.
But
Please be
alright,
quiet.
Jagan, alright, let's put
Please
it
be
this way.
Yeah.
If there is 3 shows happening just like how
Yeah.
Diana did Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and you put 3 nights of Skilly Bang and 3 nights of Dexter Dap,
Three
I
of them.
guarantee from the first night
That's it.
after Skilly Bang do the first
Nobody else
night,
now go back.
nobody now go back at the next
No.
show.
Nope.
Because in my opinion, I don't think Skilly. I've seen him on lives in Jamaica. I don't think he has. He doesn't have a
Brother.
good performance power.
Sorry,
he's
I
not very good at performing.
Dexter,
on that
that's
stage.
a big artist. We're
No,
not
it's
doubting
not
that.
about the biggest artist.
But I'm talking
pulling
about
power. Are you
is
the pulling power at the moment with demand with Skilly Bang. You see right now, let me tell you this.
He's demanded, but he's
You
not.
see, because Skilly Bang is hot, because he's a hot thing now. Remember, Dexter Dap is a well-established artist. People know him can perform, he can deliver.
But
for
that is the
woman
key.
them.
That is
But
the key. That.
hold on, Rick. We are talking about the shift of our dancehall. Is member say dancehall is in a recycle motion at the moment. They are recycling.
A restructure.
The old people is going out and the new people are forward in. So you see the new people who are forward in a dancehall, they're more in tune to Skilly Bang because remember when you just start come to England and dancehall, the people them whether go to school and them start come a dancehall.
No,
now.
but
See,
Skilly Bang not prove himself.
All right,
now.
all right.
but hold on, Rick,
Let
let
me
me
ask
just
you a
finish my
question.
point.
Let him- Dragon
But
finish
yeah,
it, man.
you see, with them forward into the dancehall, if you see when you got the part of them with the younger people, them, you see the impact with Skilly Bang have compared to a Dexter Dap.
No,
you
we're
see,
not
from Dexter Dap
complaining.
have the big song there. When you drop a Skilly Bang, remember I sang where everybody are going, everybody has said guns and a throw a bag of thing and I go on with
Yeah,
themselves.
mhm.
Remember, Skilly Bang is the man right now in
Okay.
terms of UK dancehall because Skilly Bang still at and Skeng over here. Skeng have big song, but Skilly Bang at and Skeng. He at and Josh them see me.
Let me ask a
'Cause
question.
who said them can get a
let
bigger
me
fan?
ask
Ah,
you-
you get
Can
the
we-
chance.
can-
Hold on, hold on. Remember to turn that question, yeah? You say Skilly Bang at
Yeah.
after that in whatever, yeah?
Yeah.
The question is now to ask, yeah? How much would this pay to see a Skilly Bang show?
How much what?
Would you pay to see a Skilly Bang show? If you ask people, how much would they willing to pay
People that pay £30. 30.
starting for a Skilly Bang show?
Me think you would have start about like 20 for early birds.
No, that's just anybody really. My talk. See, this is the point. If you start 20, you say
First,
that,
I don't know the back office
No.
part of things. I'm not a promoter.
no, what me I say, yeah? If the artist is as great and hot as they say him is,
Yeah.
£20 is too cheap to start with him then. If you start at 30. But me know Dexter that definitely
Yeah.
can start at 30. No
30,
question.
35.
No
Yeah,
question.
No
I
question.
know because he care about artists. All right.
No,
No,
forget.
I-
No,
you
not the
see-
caliber. It's
I-
it's pan the ground. That's what I'm telling you. Yeah? Pan line, you can stream 20 million till you're dead. If you
Miss-
go next man country and cannot pull at least 5% of that, it don't make no sense, bro.
So with this being said, there are a whole heap of people on the live. We want to hear your opinion. Who do you think has more pulling power in a party or in a
In
At
our
the
in a
show.
stage
current
show?
moment, at the
At the
current
current moment, is it Skilly Bang or is it Dexter Daps? Who were the
In England.
options?
Yeah, Skilly Bang.
Skilly Bang. Did
Or-
we
or-
use Massacre as well? Was
No,
Massacre
no,
in
no,
the
no.
round?
We
Skilly and
man,
Dexter.
So we're just using
let's
Skilly
compare
Bang
Skilly
and Dexter Daps.
and-
Let's hear your thoughts on that, guys. Just drop it in the comments so we can read them out a little later on.
Because we see the paradigm of dancehall shift because we go back
It
to
has
the fact.
shifted.
We go-
Dragon. No, you get the
we
time
go
to
back-
talk. My time to
okay.
talk. You get the
Yes.
time. It
Go
shifts,
ahead, Rick.
but the core remains the same.
Mm-hmm.
You can shift as much as you want to go flare because there's been times in dancehall when artists come up one hit wonders. Look, all right. Look at the artist we're gonna interview now. Lali.
Right.
Lali is a perfect example. He come with him gimmicks first. Obviously, him turn it into a craft and him turn it into a
Get more
serious
serious.
career.
Yes.
There's been a lot of artists like that that's forward and do that something there and
And
just
who
drop
has
off.
drop
of that.
off
Look
for-
at Gully Bop. So dancehall remains. What I'm trying to explain to you, the core
Consistency.
of dancehall remains the same. If you can perform on the stage, you can sell your craft better. I've seen Stylex forward at UK, and Stylex now have no word per song, and Stylex work half an hour up on a stage, and I was entertained. One song he have, went named Fatty, and him work for half an hour, and I enjoy the
But
show.
on that note, yeah, what you say with Lali, yeah, it has about 5 solid songs everybody know, yeah. The man sang the pan, so he sang the pan TikTok and them something there, and everybody reshare.
Everybody's
Because him
doing it.
integrate himself
So
with the new.
and when him go up on stage, yeah, he might go move.
He might go do other things.
Other things.
He's
So
performing.
he might perform.
He's not just standing up on the stage with a microphone. He's
So
performing.
people, younger generation,
Yeah.
'cause he's not an old person, so he might have a following, yeah. I'm internet savvy. I'm
Yeah.
go live whatever, yeah. That we're not gonna say my job million people, obviously not because he must do him thing. But him drawing numbers where we are expecting him to draw when him do shows.
Yeah.
And I always come back down to I say 50-50. Promoter, promotion, and the artist. If the artist not what the body wants to see, they're not gonna turn up, bro.
Dragon time for talk.
And yeah. Go ahead.
So basically, you're basing things on performance. Remember,
but that's an aspect of a stage show. That's what you go there to do,
See.
to perform.
hold on a second now. That's why when we said to Rixie Paradigm, she freaks at the course the same, and you mentioned someone it wonder. That's a different thing. All right, let me state my case now. In terms of how music is moving now, when last you go to a proper show where you have a live bands, in the UK, we have the big ass them from Jamaica come up. If it's not the popcorn, and even nowadays when it's popcorn, it's
More
backing
like
track.
2018.
It's backing tracks, right?
That was the last one.
So basically, and the backing track show them is very few artists
No,
from
right.
Jamaica coming to England and really do a performance. And those are the one with reputable name
Yeah.
that known for performance.
Yeah.
That's what they said the core.
But hold on, no. But when you have the artists them with the hits them, you might not be the greatest performer. But as long as you out and you're singing your big song them and you're punchy and hitting them on the head, you can sell out a show.
But that is
And-
performance.
and hold on,
It is.
no.
That
No,
is
it is.
performance.
It is.
No,
because
no, no, no.
So what you call that?
You're hitting on the head like the right selection. Cause you can out there and you perform half an hour. Skilly Bang have more than half an hour worth of tune.
But
Hold on,
Hold-
let me
hold
finish.
yeah, finish.
So
sorry.
he
My
must
bad.
sing the right song, them in the right order, and he must say dash. And him just say, walk go over here and talk. Him not fear stop and I do no big performance and interact with the people like what they say them do it. And some other people and being them and dance and do it. Get the people interactive.
So
with
would
it.
you enjoy that?
Rick, just like how you're in a dance and when he sang them jump, remember arts not did it. As long as you sing the right song them, the right way, you are gonna get forward.
Yeah, but
It's-
that don't. But that
it's
don't
become
to
like
you.
physics.
No, that don't to
Like
you.
if me drop the cup, it will drop a ground, a physics
No,
dog.
but no, with that in the dance hall, it done to you as a DJ. You know why I'm saying that?
Yeah.
You are seeing the crowd before you even play. When them artists are forward, the crowd have no build up to them until them perform. It's like having artists before artists. If the artist perform and build from one to the next, it a build up, yeah. If it rubbish, it a drop and go up again. When skill going forward on the stage,
Yeah.
and whoever it is, you don't have the expectation of him because you never seen him before.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying
So-
why everybody knocking the youth out and never really
When
see him do a performance.
no one ever said that.
We're not,
Because-
we're
No one
not
said that.
knocking.
Well, the whole and not the young youth them and I say, yo.
No,
Hey,
we never.
hold on.
No,
No, Dragon. No.
Me get the vibe there from.
No.
First thing,
No,
when
no,
I
we're not.
Hold on, wait.
When
Make
I
a
base it
statement
on-
and then
no,
I can
when I
respond.
base it on performance.
But a stage show is a performance.
No, when I base it on who can perform.
No. But a stage show is a performance,
What
bro.
if Skillibeng is a good performer?
We've never seen
We've
it.
never
That's
seen
why I'm
him.
saying, don't knock a man until him come do him thing and
But
then
we
we can
okay,
judge it.
fine. Don't knock a man before we see. But there are many opportunities where he has an Instagram page. He has many platforms he can utilize to show his fan base, to show promoter, to show this something. We've never seen him.
So we can't
We've
knock
never
him for
seen him
nothing.
do nothing. Him never over popcorn, Squid birthday something or do one performance thing. Even over there,
I
so
walk a drive pants every 5 seconds.
every 5 seconds him pants the down him ankle.
The whole time we see him,
No,
yeah.
like and this is a serious note. That is a platform. Why not use that platform? That's the only time I've seen him.
Rasta,
That's the only time I've seen him. With a talkaphone in him
Why?
and I try perform.
When
And
I
and
young ass them I try.
No, it's
and
not.
we're not bashing anybody. We're not bashing the young artists. Remember, so the feel out there for people for do them thing.
Everybody
right?
soft skin.
It is there for everybody
Yeah.
to do their thing. You have various opportunities, various avenues where you can utilize to showcase your talent. A stage show is where you forward to perform. You're not forward for have a DJ play,
Yeah.
you tune them, and you watch the crowd and react to what the DJ is doing. You are forwarding to show them,
Yeah.
say, yo,
Exactly.
I set this, my song them this,
Jaga.
I can
Then
perform
perfect
them.
example.
Jaga.
Why we not tell the artists them over
Hold on.
UK?
Wait,
Yeah, hold on. Why you not tell you some of UK artists them? We come on stage, we have them song. Basically, them song are playing back. Not a rhythm, you know.
Yeah.
It's a song with them vice straight.
Yes, but we
And
have
a backing
spoken.
track.
It's not
We
a
no bother
backing
with
track.
that bumbo clad.
It's
So why
something
would you not bash them and tell them say, oh, you know bother with that?
Yes.
Alright, I do. We tell them
needs to be
personally.
real from here before you start bash some
Alright.
artists.
You want to go down before you go down there, that's something to you, yeah?
Yeah.
You see, from a promoter's point of view, yeah? See, if an artist a trend, we book them, right?
Yeah.
You see when the artists go up on the stage now, that are now him in charge in career. We do as
Yeah, he's
much as get
responsible to
them
do
here.
that.
People in the stadium, now them have to do for them half fight. You see this thing where you get booked and you don't want promote and the promoter do him job. You see go up on the stage,
That's his.
we
he's
not have
working.
nothing to do with it. So when you go down and flap,
Yeah.
them not say we, them not say brother, don't book him back again. And then from that, the chain reaction from that, make you know much show you get. Cause when they flap the first show, and them give the second one, I give him two. So when the whole tour they done, they're gonna say, yo, we go up and win for that top, we kill the show. The massive, but we see the evidence. So artists think say, oh, me get booked for that show and I go just turn up and play. Do that. How much we get after that?
Exactly.
Can I just respond to the question that he asked about the artists, UK artists going on stage and singing over on them songs? I have a problem with that. I have a major problem with that. We've been through how many years of lockdown? We've been, let's use 1 year.
Yeah.
No, make we use a 1 year. We've been through 1 year of lockdown. This is a time where most if not everybody was at home. Yeah, artists, you know. Yeah, but I'm almost sure everybody has a mirror at home.
Of course.
And on a must can have at least 10 to 15, 20 minutes, half an hour a day for yourself. Why not sing over track? Why not get on the backing track, the proper backing track and rehearse, do a proper... Obviously, not every show you're going to go on is going to have a band. You're not going to always have a band rehearsal, but you will have a backing track. Hold on, for your song them. You know, practice so when you get your show them, you know, if you sing over your song them, it's one of the most annoying things for me to go to a stage show, to see an artist perform. I can stay home and listen to your track.
Exactly.
Yeah, man, well, lots of
Makes
them
no
now
sense.
learn either
Let's-
because...
That's why the course still the same.
Let me make one more point. I'm going to use Danny Bless as an example, right?
Yeah. Right.
So we know Danny Bless as a host, actor, him do a bag of things. Recently turned artist. Better than enough of the established artists, them we say them artists for years,
Over
up on
year.
top of years, over year. Because Danny Bless learn the art of performing. And Danny Bless I learn him craft. You see, what do you miss? Me see me over what? I think it was my guy show from Flames, Winterfest.
Yeah,
Big up
Genesis.
DJ Genesis.
Genesis,
Yes.
It was Winterfest, and I see him come and do the Pussy Check song, and I see him change up the lyrics, and I see him a sing.
It's not the lyrics, it's the format of the
No,
song.
the format of the
Yes.
song, I see how him change up it, and instead of him say, a pussy check, and him change
Yeah,
it up,
body
and
check.
him do a little,
Subtle,
no,
an intro type
him
of
sing
thing.
it and say, a pussy check, this a and change it up, and that give a different
Feel to
effect
the song.
and a different
Yeah.
feel, because as an artist, you have to understand there's a craft to it. And when we realize a lot of UK artists now use up to introduce them song.
Yes.
Talk to the crowd, because everybody are jumping at this thing
It's confident.
and I start come listen. You see, just like our MC pan a sound system or a DJ introduce a music, it's your song.
Yes.
You suppose you can talk up your song. You see, when you drop the song and the punch, you have more effect.
Yeah.
All right.
And them now use up that part of the craft.
After your point, we're going to read some of the comments.
Alright,
Yeah?
you see, Danny Bless, I start with Nitro, yeah. When I first did the live showcase, the first one, yeah. I said, Nitro, yeah, Nitro said, cool. Like, it was like 100 and people. I said, cool. Him just do him for do. Him and Marley and the other umbre, remember my name. Maybe just him was the guy, but what I try to say, yeah. The man forward, do him for do and done. Him not care if I do two person on the line.
Professional.
You see, Danny Bless now, if I one person, Danny Bless entertain, this man, I'm kissing like say, at the whole world.
And that is what
These
a performer
artists over
does.
here, yeah, they want to wait for the live reach a million when the lockdown time, and then they want to run up and they need multiple lives, or they want to place RAM.
We've seen
If
it
you
in
can't
person.
entertain one person, you entertain 10.
Exactly.
So Danny Bless, 24 hours, and a girl,
yeah.
the pussy check one into the body check one, it's more cleaner.
Subtle,
Yeah.
yeah.
Them three
Subtle.
without the raw version. A very good song. Danny got anywhere Danny goes once him get talk a phone.
He's gonna sing his song.
If I one person him see,
As long as him not forget the bonus.
if I one person Danny Bless say, we can't tell you say, he might go sing it like say him and 10 million people.
He's going to perform.
But
That's what a performer
Rave is the
does.
same. Rave will go on show, yeah. And Rave perform done.
Yeah.
Danny Bless got the third show today. There be a Wi-Fi problem. Danny
Yeah,
Bless a whole
listen,
camera, everything. He willing to do stuff.
Yeah.
Me nah back, you see when you know about the fuckery, because when I'm some as a friend, when you stop boot up man we can't perform and go on the fuckery.
True.
Because a lot of them can't perform, them will find a little one song or a little half alright song, and because one of them affiliated, when you tell them say them can't perform, me and Shanti them link, me and them man the link,
Everybody.
and when them song good, me say no good. When them
bad,
get
we-
kicked
you
around
have-
one
you have
part,
to be
you tell them
honest.
say them get kicked because you know.
You have to be honest.
If me I go out with fuckery, and my friend I say, yeah man, you're the best thing.
Well,
That means I now set me up for continue with fuckery then.
Exactly.
We're gonna.
When we even talk the truth, you see the arts them, we now go and go and sing some fucker song. Tell them say a fucker, cause yes, as me get them some like a chew in that bin. You know good. I mean, me not play no fucker song.
But you joke when you two person, 2 entity, Upnlive show, Jagan, and UK
Dance
that
on
review
Review.
Sasha, So the two of them say these things, they no want hear. But if me if you say it, I'm always some purpose on the two and I can tell them straight, But I don't say it because if Una say it, I don't have a reputable platform enough for
Who are you to say it?
and me, I got tell you the same thing, I don't know want hear. Then just leave me to do anything. Because when people say, and laugh off the back and the back of phone, the problem. When Sasha said, sometimes tell us, say, don't review certain things because certain people touches. When you say certain things about DJs, and even start about DJ now, by your morning, you get kakawa. You attack with people when no one talk, say, but them go bias because they don't want to say it because they want a different thing.
Yeah, go on like anybody a blood clap your phone.
But that's your point. But that's your point.
If you call my phone, I me cut it, me hang up.
Come on,
listen,
funny box.
listen,
All right, let's read some of the comments. Forwarding run on one part where we're talking about the comparison between Dexter Daps and Skilly Bang.
Yeah.
Skilly Bang's name didn't pop up. It was all Dexter Daps.
I pay all people up on the live, man.
Oh, stop it.
1 minute left, yeah?
Yeah, yes. And in regards to Evolve Magazine Entertainment, guys, big up yourself. Performance is everything as well as a catalogue. They also went on to say most artists which are coming here for shows lately, they're not worth paying even if they have an Instagram fame. Popcorn and Alkaline never used to could have performed, but I mean, it takes practice, it takes time.
Of course it does.
If you take an interest
Alkaline
in...
still can't perform.
Oh, come on, bro. No.
Better than before.
Listen.
Better than before.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Better than before.
Let me just tell you this from now. You see, Dragon and Breadback, they've been having this
No,
conversation for the
easy.
hold
Listen,
on.
that's not.
After me talk, you not talk again.
Please.
No,
They've been having
I
this
will say one thing.
conversation for 2 hours.
Yeah.
We're not gonna do it right
No,
now.
me not it must I say.
No.
When I'm on a team, yeah.
Breads.
Guys,
Engineer, look up.
Breads.
Like
Breads.
coffee, man.
Breads.
No,
Breads.
I'm not gonna say that for 1 second. When I'm on a team, yeah, I'm respect what you do and we are rule.
Oh, shucks.
No matter once you're right, I can defend the right, I can defend it. If you're wrong, I can tell you wrong too. So when there's certain things when I add up, I'm no say in add up, I can carry cast.
Breads look
But-
like
but
a
you know,
skull
see, I drag
mask.
on.
Breads can't
You know,
come.
see, I got
Listen,
this.
we're not gonna stop.
But me not go into that someday. You know?
Yeah. Evolve Media Entertainment also said that no to the fact that Danny doesn't need to know how to sing to perform. Well, if you're an artist, you should know how to do your thing. I'm gonna say you should. He's a natural performer. Yes, we agree with that. He's a natural entertainer, but you must be able to, hold your key and you do your thing. Danny can do anything still.
You know. Let
Danny
me tell
can do
people
anything.
I think
Yes,
about
you can.
singing.
Time, the
Yes,
time.
singing.
Yes.
Please.
Singing is not about nice voice and the bigger. I'm all on the hear me now. Seeing? Me
Dragon,
give you a
have 30
perfect
seconds,
example.
please,
Look on
make it
Buju
short.
Banton. Buju Banton have a big rough voice, But when he jump and him do a singing song, he hold a key, he hold a note. I know sound, but it's so nice. But he's not a brilliant singer. So me I say when you're an artist, you're supposed to get hold a key and note and do your thing. Make your song look on Bounty Killer when he say I'm leaving, but there isn't. All right,
See?
song sound good.
Yeah.
People, I keep it like,
God no.
up and live.
We
You know,
could stay here for hours and just chat, but you don't know say
We have
you know
social guests inside.
the dirt boss is in the building. I can learn for the dance tonight.
Jack and I gonna learn tonight, yeah?
Jack,
Hey, that's a history, no? That's a history.
what? Jack and I can learn for me.
Yeah, you.
I can learn for the week.
For dance,
Have
in
a
general.
little
Right now the polar are real up, and that me I tell you now.
Of course.
A
So
beer.
people, we could drop some song and then we'll forward and get straight.
Lali is in the building, guys.
Of
Stick and
course.
stay. Make sure you share the live, Share the live. That's the most important thing right now. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Tell a
Over
friend
here,
to
so.
tell a
Over
friend.
here, so.
See it?
Yeah.
Drop it.
We're back to the reason. So welcome everybody back down to the Upnlive show. We're on to the final leg. So we Rick, me see you said that thing come earlier on. So let's touch on that topic quickly, and then we have a next topic we want to talk about after. Quickly.
We
You
only
sure
have
we have
5
5
minutes.
minutes?
We only
All
have
right,
3
we're going to
minutes.
touch on that topic. We're left
Which
the other
one the
one.
one? You want to talk about the song that the guy promote?
Yeah.
Let's do it quickly. There's a song that's been promoted online. I can't give you the exact title right now, but the gentleman basically is doing the music like a promotional video, singing the song, and he has a gun pointing to his head on social media. And the reason why I put it out was that I'm saying to people, is this an acceptable way to promote a song? To come onto social media with, we don't know, first of all, I don't know if the gun is illegal or whatever. It doesn't really matter, but is trying to get attention from him putting. We don't know if it's loaded because he didn't fire it. It possibly could have been loaded. Putting it to his head, pretending to cry, and he's getting attention. But is this a justified way to promote a song?
How do you know that it's for an attention though?
But he's using it for a promotion for
How
a song.
do you know?
Because the video says that promoting for the song, new single.
It doesn't say that. It just says go and hold it, bro.
Well, to be
No.
honest,
The reason why I'm asking because we've seen a similar situation with Chaos. He didn't use a music. You know the artist Chaos who
Yeah.
same look
made
to
us.
himself.
He never physically said the words, but based on what he implied that
Yeah.
was the situation. We don't, even though he's using the song, we don't know if it's a promotion.
No,
so we have to be careful of what we're saying.
No, I'm not. That's why I said I'm not talking about directly about that song or what. I'm just saying, is it a suitable way to promote a song using a gun? I'm not really focusing on him or that exact video itself. I'm just using the situation.
Yeah, but we don't know. It's hard to say if it's appropriate, yes or no, if he's not promoting the song. I don't know if I'm explaining myself properly. He might be literally going through something at the moment and using the song as an avenue.
What Rick is saying, the problem that Rick have is him coming on the live with a gun.
We don't know if he's promoting the song, bro.
No, but we're not talking about the promotion.
Yeah, but we don't know what the man is going
hold on,
through.
the whole aspect is coming on a social media video with a firearm.
With a firearm, that is the problem I have.
It's not appropriate, but we don't know what the man is going through. We've seen it on several occasions. He's not the first person.
So to me,
second or third.
So to me, I don't have a problem with if you come with a firearm on your live, because obviously other people post firearm thing like they're at gun range and they're posting shooting at a target. Nobody have a problem with that.
But
right? Hold on, let me finish my part. Nobody have a problem with that. When people in their uniform, whether police or soldier, parading with their firearm, people have no problem with that. So what if it was a legal firearm him have, and we don't know where in the world it is, because it could be in America where it's wild west, so you're just allowed to have a gun every day of the week. So if it's a legal manner, I think it's appropriate, because to me he's not try to harm anybody with the firearm. He's more pointed on himself than anybody else. So
that is
if he want to do what he want to do with it to himself, that's up to him and Fame God in my book.
That is true. But the only problem I have with it is that in putting it to him head, and then he's singing the song. Is clearly
What is the song saying?
The song
what's the lyrics of the song? Because I didn't get a chance to listen to it. I'm sorry.
Basically, it's a song where he basically it's like a cry for help with the type where he kind of
exactly my point.
May I play the song in a little bit from this?
Exactly my point. That is what I'm
but
saying.
We just don't have the time.
You can't know if he is promoting the song for the sake of promoting the song purpose. He might be genuinely in a situation where he is relating to the song. As me say, it's similar to the Chaos situation. It's similar to other situations where people, I mean, it's just life is too hard at the moment, or they're going through a particular situation.
No, I'm not bashing him.
I'm not saying that you're bashing him. I'm just saying you're suggesting or making it seem as if, it's promoting the song instead of...
But that's how it looks.
So just for clarification, I'm going to play a small bit of the song, and then you guys can be the judge, jury, and executioner.
We're gonna put the link to the video in the description as well.
When me see them on the left, of course me hold the right. You know how much of them would want you me dead before the night done. Mummy always a pray and I tell me say now watch the fight, my son. But me sorry, mummy, me rather walk with a matic full of shot just before them send me in high ground. Cause me now make them take my 3 points. Now see my body part freeze eyes, so every shoes I feel lace like Levi's. For me feel nice, cause me now make them take.
Alright, so people, so you have the little quick synopsis of the song. So he's singing about him now make them take the theme 3 points.
But that is clearly his song.
Yeah, that's his song, and basically, this song is not talking about suicide. He's talking about clearly about defending himself.
Yeah.
To the
it's
fullest.
not his song. The person who posted it is not the same person.
That's what I'm saying. It's not the person who.
It's not the person who posted
it. It's the guy in the
who
video
singing
doing
it.
It's his song.
It's his song.
Right.
So he's promoting his song. It's not the guy who posted the song. Well, the person who posted it is not who owns the song. He's just,
I understand that now, but at the same time, the person who's singing the song, you don't know what the man's going through.
Yeah, but
that's still my point.
It doesn't matter what you're going through. You don't come on social media doing that as an artist with a gun and put in your
Chaos
head and
did
sing.
it. He was going through a bag of shit.
Yeah, but it doesn't justify you for come on.
It's true, but Rick, you don't know what people are going through. That's what I'm trying to say.
I agree.
Hold
I
on,
don't know
why
why
your
it's going
point
through.
behind this? Why you say it's inappropriate?
Because as it's just like me, no, if me go take up a gun and Instagram, I put it on my head. What kind of attention that me really could have look
Rick,
for?
you
Rick,
you
let me
can't
ask- let
say
me ask
that,
you
brother.
something
You
now,
can't say that.
You know that
Can't say
Instagram,
that.
you have sensitized material where you have to actually press a view to actually see it.
Some of them are
Yeah,
like that.
because
Yeah, I know that.
all right, and Facebook is the same.
Yes.
So just like how people can come on there and post them crutches and this and that. So what make this any wrong than that or a song having a gun in the video? What make this any wrong? But just want to hear your views from that.
Because if he was a normal person, fine. But you're an artist trying to look attention from people, from the general public. What kind of narrative are you sending for coming on screen with a gun? It's not like he might try. If he looked like he needs help to me, like him need help.
It leads me back to the point, bro.
Yeah.
You can't make an assumption that he's just because him do the song, he might promote it. The
But
man-
so why am I do then? Why am I do on live?
We don't drug what your name? Rick.
Yeah.
People express themselves in various different manner. People express themselves in various different manners.
Well, we have to
I'm gonna
brief
use
if,
the
I disagree.
I'm gonna use the chaos situation again. We don't know what Chaos was going
What
through.
Chaos did I don't
He
remember
did
Chaos.
something similar to this. He literally
Him write
went
a
on
text
live.
message and basically
Him
like,
never write a text
no,
message.
like him do some him
He
just go
went
on about that thing.
he
He went
went
live
live.
and say something and like say yo him do take him one live.
He never said those
He never
words.
say it, but he was talking down to that live and like you're fed up. Basically.
Yes.
But did Chaos have a gun?
Yes, he did
Yes,
have
he
a
did
gun.
have a
That's
gun.
what I'm saying. It's a similar situation. And police were sent to his home because obviously people never hear. Police were sent, and he was saved. He was going to kill himself.
Exactly.
So I'm only hoping for people who know this young man.
Yeah.
And
That's
if it
why
is-
you get out of this song.
I'm not talking about the song. You asked
Yeah,
about
I already
holding
got
the gun on the live. I'm saying the man can genuinely be in a certain situation. He can genuinely be going through a certain situation.
It could
so
be.
I only hope, if it is a case that he's promoting the song and whatever, I don't think it's attention seeking. And it for me, it triggers me. That's
Ex-
what I'm thinking from this perspective.
Exactly. And you're
it
not
triggers
wrong.
me.
You're not wrong for thinking how you think. I understand what your point you're emphasizing, which is fear, and I do understand that he probably needs help. But I'm saying if he's a same person and he's an artist looking for promotion and he's using this stunt, I'm not having it. I don't believe you should be using no gun in your head to try to get my attention to play your song.
Well, hear me now. Me have a different views from you to Uno.
Go ahead.
Because here we know. You see, Uno is looking more individual.
And the
And
visual and the song
But
perfect
hold
to
on now.
me.
You're looking at the visual.
Yeah.
If you listen to the words of the song, you say, him nah make them take him 3 pints. Him rather do a bag of things than that happen. So
Yeah, we hear the lyrics
You know,
of the song.
in the lyrics of the song, him a say, him willing to kill everybody else and mash up everything else. But when I make somebody take him 3 pints.
We
so
heard
him,
that.
So him playing with the gun, just like how you have your hand on your head and sometimes you move it up and down. To me, he was just moving his hand and so beat the gun in him and he just want to use it to emphasize the video. Like, I don't see nothing
get
wrong
it,
with it.
yeah.
Because at the end of the day is, we see a lot of music video. Some of them have real firearm in it. Some of them have prop gun. People sing about gun lyrics right through. So for a person to come on live with a gun, we don't know if it's an illegal gun. If it's an illegal gun, make him and the law them deal with that. If it's a legal firearm, him good. If he in the states where him can have it legal and willingly, him supposed to know what he's doing as an artist about his image and what he put out there. So I don't have any problem with it because anything you put on Instagram or certain platform now, it's sensitized. Or they have that we call it
Yeah,
that mature audience where you can block out certain things like violent things.
I'm going to read a
So, yeah.
comment. I'm going to read a comment. Bossy Soldier, big up yourself. Basically, he's expounding on what he said in the song. He says he's going to rob and kill people because he has tried everything and it now work. So he had a mental breakdown.
I agree with that.
And as me say, that aspect, because I've seen situations like this before, it's a trigger. I get what the song is saying. Me understand. But people need help.
No,
I'll just leave it at that.
me
I have nothing else to
personally,
say.
I would play the song
It's a cry for help.
I will drive in my van or my car at the time. I'll add it to my playlist and listen to the song. I have no problem with the song. It's
The
a
song
beautiful
is fine, but it's the visual
it's
that
the
we're
visual
referring to.
I have a problem
The
with what
visual.
it did in the visual to get people to.
Yeah.
That is what I have putting the
Exactly.
gun to your head. It's nothing else. Me
Maybe
have a
that's
problem with
refer
that.
to something because I feel like a lot of people nowadays is taking advantage of the
Sasha,
whole
we send
social
the link.
media thing. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll send
Everybody's
it to you.
taking advantage of social media because remember back in the days about 2015 2016 we have this guy who climbed Zip 103 radio station pole just to get his music played and he basically him hold them at fair ransom.
As hostage, yeah.
If him never
He
played
never
him
play a
song,
song,
he
he'd have
would have
kill
jump
himself.
off and which it was a bit of a gimmick. He wasn't really gonna kill himself
But we don't know though.
because I hear interview after the whole synopsis happened. He said he just didn't want to play him song and we see too many times people are come on social media for the wrong type of thing and because them basically all everybody has to join, everybody start this whole blood clot thing and say, oh boy, he might kill himself. That's why you see me as a youth. I kind of like one time Jamaica. You remember back in the days you have one man that jump out of Kingston Public Hospital. Oh, there window everybody said jump and hold on and when him jump
Oh, sorry. Yes. Oh,
when the guy jump out the window and him drop in a bag where itch up, nobody has never jumped after that because sometime you have to give people bitter medicine.
So am I to understand that you're saying that if it is indeed he's going through a particular situation, he's going through this mental breakdown and he proceeds to kill himself, we're going to use him as an example? Is that what I'm saying?
No, there's a lot of avenue to do things right. But what I'm saying, you have people who is using social media to their advantage. To do a lot of unscrupulous things.
True.
You get me? Like come onto the scene and go and like say them all the self-harm to get fame and fortune out of it, which it is not right.
Right, but as I'm still standing by the stance that this gentleman could be naturally going through a difficult time, and I hope and pray that he gets the help that he needs. If it is for promotional basis, if it might have been triggered, it might be triggering a lot of other people as well as it has triggered me, and may hope him get help and find other avenues to promote your song. If that is the case.
The point.
If that's the case.
That
Find
is
other
it.
avenues.
We
to promote
reached
your
a
song.
common ground.
Uncle Ive, oh my God.
And that is
The time. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you ever so much for joining us for this week's episode of the Upnlive Show. We do appreciate your support. Continue to support us every week. We're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we will be having a special guest next week, as per usual. You don't know, we do the thing already. But please, we are asking you, go over to our YouTube channel, like, share, subscribe, comment, make sure it's on the and just support the movement. All our videos are uploaded to our YouTube channel on a weekly basis. On the weekend, no one down now relax and can watch the video them and bear things. Yeah. All-Star is going to take us out, and we'll see you guys next week.
Ricky, have any last words?
No, man, I eat that from I'm good.
People know what the thing go. A week time, love your brother, love your sister. Let love rule in everything you do. You know, I say read a book, Brain Power is the main power scene. And don't make them take on the 3 points. Safe out there.
Peace.